What surprised me the most about the academics here was just how everything is a discussion, and it helps so much than just watching slides and the professor explain everything, but you are actually involved talking to all your other classmates about the topic of the class or whatever is being taught. So that has helped a lot.
I decided to pursue a concentration in data analytics with my MBA here, and a lot of my professors have work in that field and they have experience with AI, data science, which has been great.
Our professors are chosen for their expertise in their field and also for the experience that they bring to the table in the outside world. You can learn all about something, but then when you've done that in the workplace and then you can bring that experience to the student, then you're really adding value to what you can learn by the materials alone.